Good day everyone. My name is Ken Dabilis. I will discuss to you the parts and function of Lafayette polygraph machine. Lafayette polygraph machine is used in polygraph examination, lie detection test. It records sociological reaction of a person while answering questions. First part is pneumograph tubes. Rubber tubes placed around the chest and abdomen to measure respiration of breathing patterns. Cardio cuff or blood pressure cuff. Wrap around the upper arm to measure blood pressure and pulse rate changes. Next is galvanograph or GSR. Attach the fingers to measure skin resistance or sweating, which increases when a person is nervous or stressed. Movement sensor detects body movements that may indicate attempts to manipulate the test. Recording unit. The main unit that records and display the sociological reaction in the form of graphs or charts. Keyboard or control panel used by the polygraph examiner to input questions, mark answers, and control the test. Data acquisition system collects signals from all sensors and converts them into a digital data for analysis. Software or polygraph program analyze the recorded data and produces polygraph charts for interpretation.